Welcome to the change that we believe in. This is your friend Himkar Mishra from Summer Shell Natural Farms, Ramnagar in Purnia. Once again with my blog of today. Today we are standing in front of our, these are the berries that are locally known as Karonda here. They make for good pickles. They are very extremely sour, but they make for excellent pickles. It's more used in this part of the country for making pickles. I do not know what they call it in English, but these are the berries. But they are very bitterly sour. But I just pluck a one, and so you can imagine, you can see my facial expression and see how khatta it would be. So we are extending this cultivation of Karonda also. इसका विस्तार हम लोग करने वाले हैं और हम लोग आने वाले दिनों में, आने वाले सालों में we should be having a significant number of these berries also, because, and let me tell you, these are citrus. They are very good for urinary tract infections and urinary functions, and for elderly people suffering from prostate, and for women who have menstrual disorders. If you have if you can have this daily, it would help you no end in dealing with your UTIs and your menstrual disorders. These are extremely nice. पर जैसा कि मैंने बताया, ये अचार के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा होता है ये, और इसका अचार ही बनता है ज़्यादा इधर, और ये भी होगा भी है, और कुछ पेड़ हैं जिसमें लेट आता है. So we'll just we'll walk to the other plants that we have here, and यहाँ पे कम है, इसमें इस पेड़ में कम आए हैं जी. And so I wanted, कल हमने इसकी बात भी की थी. We had spoken to you about this Karondas sitting on the, when I had my leisurely video update of yesterday because of the rains. So today I thought that I would begin from here, show you the Karondas that we have. And in COVID times, this would be a very good source of vitamin C, and a very good source of strengthening your immunity. तो अभी के आज के युग में अपने को अपना इम्यून सिस्टम बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग रखना है, because that is the only way we can fight this corona. We can prevent ourselves from COVID-19. तो यहाँ से ये रखा है, और यहाँ से अब हम लोग थोड़ा सा हम लोग बाहर के, इधर से बाहर निकलोगे, इधर से निकलोगे. तो from here of course we have your Gandharaj and your Nimbu. These also make for, यहाँ कुछ पेड़ लगाओ जी. तो ये this will become a natural hedge, and these are the Gandharas that we have here, and so this is the big, the farm begins from here, and from here we'll walk eastwards, where we'll go to our farm where the boys are planting the premium guavas, the most delicious ones. It's red from inside, and they are the best varieties of guavas that you can have. These are again the Karondas that I was talking about. So this is the time when they begin to fruit. So in a month's time, we'll have all the trees would be full of these Karondas here. So we are trying to start the pickling of all these ourselves also. So that would be a small cottage enterprise for our staff here and the local women. This of course is the vermicompost pits that we have here. Now we have come back to the farm, and now I'll walk you to the place where we are growing the planting the guavas that I was talking about. So here उसको भी खोल दो ना, उसको कहाँ है, बेचना कहाँ है, बेचना, अरे खोलो ना, खोल के ले चलो उसको, मेजर को ले चलो. Today giving me company is my Labrador Major. He's a very gentle soul. And Rex, the German Shepherd that we have here. So, and that is Brownie here. He's elderly, not very friendly to people, but very ferocious and yeah. And now my water minister will walk me to the place that we are having this. Or so we'll meet there at that stage of the farm. So now we are at our Aura Bari here. So here you have, if this area needs pruning, तो अभी इसकी थोड़ा सा हम लोग उसको कट करेंगे सिकल से, कछिया से, so that ये मल्च भी हो जाएगा. और आप देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे that we've been planting these guava saplings here. They are the premium variety of guava saplings, and Rex is running around. So here they are planted around 1,000 in this part, from here to the stretch that ends there. So यहाँ पे these are all guava saplings planted here, and this, can you identify this? Can you identify this? This is the Suran plant, tuber. So when we take out the Suran now, the we call it Ol in this part. It's also known as Jimikand in Madhya Pradesh and many parts of the country. And elephant's foot yam also. This is the yam plant, and so this would be, these are 1.5 years old. So this would be the I think it should be around 5 kgs or something when we take out, and they fix a lot of nitrogen. And it's a very, very good thing for people suffering from hemorrhoids, for many, it's a very good health food. And here, they did pits here. Pit कितना इंची रख रहे हो? बहुत कम रख रहे हो क्या? ना ना, बहुत कम है ये तो.
मेरे गड्ढा इतना छोटा क्या ले रे?
सब दरी वैसी लगा. हाँ, छोड़ मैंने. तो here, तो यहाँ पे हमारे साथ अरुण है. तो you can see the you can see the agroforestry that I'm talking about. So we are walking through it, and these are all, it's you know, you have a lot of this is the pink pepper. You have a lot of turmeric here. The suran or the yam here again. These are the vegetables which have grown very long. And तुम लोग का दरी बहुत छोटा है. दरी इतना छोटा क्यों रख लो? तो आएगा ही नहीं फिर.
दरी 6 इंची का है, छोटा ना समझे.
नहीं, थोड़ा सा लंबा दरी लो ना. तो सब ऐसे ही लगा रहे हो क्या? इतना छोटा दरी क्यों ले रहे हो?
इन्ना सब सही है, इन्ना ठीक है.
वो तो नहीं देखे हैं इसीलिए ना सुबह.
दरी वैसे
सब जगह वही साइज का देख रहे हैं.
यार फनी मास्टर
थोड़ा सा बड़ा लो मिथिलेश. इतना छोटा दरी मत लो बेटा, वैसे तो उगेगा भी नहीं तुम्हारा. फिर दरी का ज़्यादा लो ना. 1 फीट का तो लो कम से कम. देखा, ये सब भी तुम्हारा पड़ेगा वो. हाँ, वो ठीक है.
6 इंची कम से कम 6 इंची ले. 3 इंची है पन्नी, 6 इंची.
अच्छा है कुछ तुम्हारा. माने कौन है इसमें बिना खैनी खाए के लगाए थे क्या? So these are all guavas that we are having here, and again this looks so beautiful, this elephant yam plant जो है. So this time in Bhado will start, that is the season when it comes. So since we have left it for 1 year, they are much bigger in size, and let's see, it's very, very good, and they make for some good pickles also. Rex, come here. Rex. So he'll follow suit. So this is what it is here, and from here we'll walk to the place. पानी तो नहीं होगा इधर. तो ये है माने. और now you see, this is the agroforestry we are talking about. Now here you have the moringa, and we'll plug these leaves for making moringa leaf powder. It's very exciting walking through all the bushes and the wild growth all around, and this is exactly how we had envisaged that this is how the farm should look like. And by God's grace, we are actually close to what we wanted to set up here. And these are the moringa stems that we had planted, and now you can see fresh leaves coming out. And moringa, of course, is the wonder tree now, with all the hypes about the moringa leaf powder and everything. Or now we are walking towards the वहाँ road तक चलो. We'll go to the place where we are. The girls have cleared up the weeds. Pruning has been done, and where they would be, they have started sowing desi tuvar here. Arhar. Arhar is a key to our agriculture things because because of its regenerative value. It regenerates the soil, fixes a lot of nitrogen, provides pollen and nectar for the bees, gives you dal to eat, and you can take 2 harvests for 2 successive years or 3 successive years, and so you can imagine the amount of nitrogen being fixed to the soil. So that is the main thing, and it's an integral part of the summer shell farm here. And Subodh, if you can show the lemons there. Everything grows very good in the lap of nature. You don't need the extraneous factors to. Yeah, and it's such a pleasure walking walking in the midst of all this wood forest that we have created. Of course, all these would be pruned. These would be pruned, and and you would will prune all this. And now we are walking to the Thanwala stretch of our farm, which they have called because of a tree which they consider auspicious, and there's a lot of puja and tying of threads and tying of flags. They're the the religious flags, that red color or the the saffron color. So they have a lot of faith in that. So yeah, so now we are almost through to that part where now will be. So you can see walking through my agroforestry is such a pleasure. Of course, for the newcomers, you'd be scared for many reasons, but touch wood, even they are our friends. They don't disturb us, and we don't disturb them. So here, वो जो हाँ, we'll go. थोड़ा सा हम लोग जल्दी करें, जल्दी चलते हैं. So again, these are all the pathways we had made to walk and everything, but because of the rains and all, the wild growth has sprung up very fast. So these are these are a variety of the wild grass which is known as ये डभार है ना, ये कसाल है.
कसal.
This is kasal. So they make for the women make the chatai out of this chatai बनाते हैं ना इससे.
जी.
So that when they prune them, they'll carry them home for this, and it's such a pleasure walking. It has a feeling of adventure in it, and I really love being here. I cannot tell you how happy I am when I'm here, because you breathe the purest air, pollution free, and you have everything in nature that is around you. And these are all 2-3 years old grafted plants, and they have grown so well here. Now we have come to our simmer bari, where we have almost completed the sowing of desi tuvar, and एक मिनट, और वो हम लोग बाहर निकल गए हैं, और हम अब यहाँ तक तो आ ही गए हैं अब. So you can see this area is pruned, और यहाँ तुवर लगाना शुरू किया इसमें. यहाँ पूरा तुवर हो गया. यहाँ पे कहाँ तक हुआ है तुवर?
वहाँ से यहाँ.
अच्छा, पूरा दिस स्ट्रेच इज कंप्लीट. और इधर का
नहीं
तो अभी शुरू करवाओ इसको. ये आज खत्म करवाओ इसको. और वहाँ चलो, वहाँ जाकर कुर्सी रखा है ना, वहाँ तक. Done for the day. So I thought of walking to the chair that they have brought for me there. I wanted to go there and wind up. So the video is getting slightly longer today. It's almost 13 minutes now. So I think 30 odd seconds, so I'll walk fast. And here you can see the area has been pruned completely. This side we have all completed sowing of tuvar. This side is left, which they would do in an hour's time. 1 घंटे में this stretch would be complete. So all these stretches of the farm are in a state of transition, transformation, and for better. And also, in a month's time, when we are through with all this, I have asked Subodh to do the pruning of the simmer trees here, so that you have the sun rays coming here. And एक तुम इधर कर दो यहाँ, so you can see the यहाँ क्या हो रहा है.
कटिंग भारत
ये
जंगल
कटिंग हो रहा तो तुअर लगवाओ इसमें.
जी.
So you can see the pruning part is going on, and now they will start doing the yeah. So thank you for the day. I must thank all of you again for the wonderful audience that you are, for all your support, your encouragement. It imbues me with a lot more energy, positivity, and it's fun being here. Any one of you want to come and see it firsthand, you are most welcome here. Thank you once again, and we'll see you with a new update tomorrow. Keep watching, keep appreciating, keep criticizing, but don't forget to watch my daily video update from here. This is your friend Himkar Mishra bidding you goodbye for the day. Thank you.